Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in. 5150 here, and welcome to episode 2 of 5150 Does Minecraft. In our previous episode, we went over a basic ME storage system, and we put together a very rudimentary assembly system. So what we want to do now is we want to interface our system with Minecraft Vanilla or another mod. We're going to make iron gears. For that, we need an iron ingot, and in a crafting table, it'd be in this pattern here. Now, so we can make our pattern, and then we're going to put our pattern in the interface that's attached to the molecular assemblers. Now, we'll type gear there, okay? And now we'll make 10 gears. And then, oh, you see, we don't have enough iron ingots in the system to make the gears we need. So we'll cancel out of that. And then, let's see, there's the iron ore there that we need. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up this furnace here so that it will make the iron ingots that we need in an automated fashion. This is going to be pretty cool. Okay, so we're going to, first we need to extend this connection a little bit. We're going to put an import bus, which drags things into the system. Then the furnace. Now an export bus, which brings things out of the system. And then an interface. We've already discussed that. Now we're going to connect the interface with the export bus and the interface with the rest of the system. Now, there we have a basic furnace setup. Now we're going to set the export bus to export coal, and it will export it into the furnace. So it will keep the furnace topped up, or at least, pretty much so, provided you have coal in the system. Okay, now we need to make a pattern. So we need to tell it how to make an iron ingot. We're going to go from crafting pattern to processing pattern. In these 3 boxes on the right is the result that you want. So you put what you want to get there. And then in the crafting table boxes, you place the raw materials that are required to make it. And then you make your pattern. Okay, now the pattern, you'll notice that we have another interface, and it's connected here to the furnace. So we'll put this pattern in the furnace interface. There. Okay, now that should do it. Now we will bring this up. Okay, order gear. There you go. I want 10 of them. Next. See, now it knows it can use iron ore to make the iron ingots I need to make the gears. So let's hit start. And it's off and running. Now, this is the crafting CPU monitor. And see, it says 10 gears that it's making there. Okay, here the furnace has enough iron ore in it to make enough ingots to make the gears that we requested. So now this is the crafting CPU. There's the monitor we touched on earlier. The CPU consists of a crafting coprocessor and memory units. Okay, here's a crafting coprocessor here. And then 64K crafting storage units. Now, the storage units allow you to do bigger jobs And the crafting CPUs allow you to do more tasks at the same time, thus speeding things up, especially in large jobs. So now we're going to upgrade this. We're going to add crafting CPU so it can do more actions at the same time, and memory so it can do larger total jobs. So we're going to add crafting coprocessor. Now it's a multi-block structure, this processor, and it needs to be a square or rectangle. Now there is a sizable, formidable crafting processor. That one should work pretty good. Now we need to take a look here at our assembly, because we only have one assembler. We can only handle 8 patterns. So we're going to need some more assemblers, or we're going to need an interface and then some assemblers. I'll put those down here ready to use. Okay, now we're going to place an assembler here, here, here. Now this one will connect them together in the ME system, and then one on top. Okay, so now if we look at these in the interface terminal, you'll see that now I can handle 18, I can handle 18 different patterns in the system all ready to assemble. So here is the system as we have it now. You can see the upgraded CPU and the additional assemblers and the interfacing with the furnace over there. Okay, well, that's about all we have time for today. Thank you for joining me. 5150 out.